Hello, my name is Muhammad Qasim Tariq, and today I'm going to present my coursework one presentation of research methods. My student ID is 4100552 and submission date of coursework one is 18th March 2022. My course code is 5619. Moving toward the topic of my coursework one, it's an empirical research-based topic of research methods subject. My course topic is 5G technology, its implementation, challenges, and their solutions. So the overview of the topic is that the study about the new emerging 5G technology in which we will gather information and research about the 5G and its applications and security threats and privacy issues, and the study what might be the challenges and in implementing the technology and their possible solution. And third one is study what technologies are affected by which types of attacks and how to minimize damage done by such attacks. Uh, the next one is introduction about the background of the topic is the practical implementation has begun on 5G mobile networks. 5G is the emerging technology. It connects all the areas of life like smart transportation system, smart homes, smart fire detection system. Everything is smart transportation. Everything is connected with 5G because it's reliable and low latency and higher bandwidth. Next is research shows potential challenges in its implementation, like in architecture and programming and privacy concerns. The implementation of 5G network is potentially can potentially impact the cell phones compared to the previous generation because the generations of the networking is more convenient in mobiles. The next is the research question. Research question, basically, I have broken it down into four parts. The first is what can be the security problem in the new 5G technology, and the second one is there any privacy issue in the new emerging technology? What sort of issues like um, data protection, confidentiality, or integrity, and things like that? How will the network technology perform against different types of cyber attacks? What methods or techniques are going to be used to make it more secure? And aims and objectives of the researchers that to aims is to investigate possibly vulnerabilities in the new how vulnerable is the new 5G architecture is by testing it with different kinds of attacks like penetration testing, DOS attacks, and see the possible security and privacy concerns of the 5G technology. Objectives is to understand the possible risk of switching to new technology and study the network vulnerabilities in the new implemented technology. That how can we cover up those vulnerabilities in the new technology so that the maximum security and privacy we could arrange for the new technologies. The research method used by the researchers from where I will be getting my whole data and research through journals is that this is the combination of different types of network security and network penetration testing modules. Research conducted by putting networks through different types of penetration, hijacking attacks, and malware these attacks effects using NSA attack tree to exploit the architecture of LTE vulnerabilities and DOS attacks, DOS is basically denial of service attack, where information could be stolen. Target type network device loss and voice eavesdropping and unauthorized data use. So we could repeat the testing procedures and see where the attacks affect the most. Next is data collection. Data is collected from the research and testing conducted by NGMN, followed by the data collected from the infrastructure security technology team, Korea Internet and Security Agency, establishing a pattern by repeatedly testing network against hijacking penetration. These are all from the research papers, and timeline of the project is 18th March for the coursework one submission, and after March 22 to 8th April, I'll be conducting more research in the topic, reviewing relevant journals for research, finding relevant data and information, and then the third main is coursework submission. There, personal reflection will be my ability to evaluate relevant topics and identify which areas are more prone to more on which can be research could be done, and I had to stick to the time for efficient time management, and I have to improve my presentation skills. And these are the references. Thank you.